If you want to build some serious upper body strength, then you need to make sure that you include different varieties of bicep curls and tricep extensions. And in this video, we're going to teach you how to do the standing dumbbell hammer curl.
We are the fitness app that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance and not just body image. Standing dumbbell hammer curl. We use the standing dumbbell hammer curl in phase 2 to recruit the muscles in the arm slightly differently than with the 45-degree supinated grip from phase 1. By changing the position of the upper arm or humerus, you will recruit more of the short head of the bicep. By changing to a neutral grip, you will begin to recruit more of the brachioradialis. To set up, simply stand with your back against a wall, feet slightly forward and arms slightly off the wall. Hold the dumbbells with your thumbs against the end of the dumbbell so that it can flex the elbow to its full range without the dumbbell hitting your arm prematurely and restricting range. Grip the weights as hard as you can whenever performing bicep or tricep exercises. Once set up, the 3 coaching cues to think of are: keep your shoulders back, keep your upper arm still, be intentional with end ranges.
We use these in the UMS to progress towards pronated grip bicep curling. And the reason why we do that is because going from a supinated grip towards a pronated grip really changes the way that you use your muscles in your arms. And it's important to hit all of the muscles through our whole body. We don't want to just stay one-dimensional and only do bicep curls in the traditional way of using a supinated grip. Now, the pronated grip is more demanding. It requires a lot of strength through the forearms here and in the brachioradialis and the forearm supinators. So it's very important that you work up towards doing those. And that's why we like to start with supinated, then go into a neutral grip or a hammer curl in this video, and then work towards pronated. So this is a great progression to take you towards those more challenging pronated grip dumbbell curls. So the way that we use them, there's so many different ways. We usually use these as a supplementary exercise. So after you've done your bench pressing or your shoulder pressing and your pull-ups and bent over rows, so basically your upper body primary movements, we use these as a supplementary exercise. And you can do anywhere from 3 to 5 sets, 2 or 3 days a week.
Stop! If you've made it this far, then you really need to hear this. Have you ever noticed how 2 people with similar intellect and goals can take the same information and produce completely different results? How does that work? Let's think about it. Does it come down to luck, experience, timing? Truth is, it's none of the above. But it has to do with why the world's smartest people aren't necessarily the most successful. But yet, some people seem to achieve success no matter what. The majority don't, because we're information junkies but lack the ability to implement. We go from one book to the next, course after course, YouTube video after YouTube video, hoping the next piece of content will hold the solution. But the difference between success and mediocrity is implementation, not education. Otherwise, education would guarantee success. But the hard reality is that it doesn't, because there's not a book, a blueprint, a course, seminar, or YouTube video on the planet that does the work for you. Only you have the power to execute. Now, once you arrive at that realization, you just need a proven system that ticks 3 boxes. Number 1, it needs to be efficient enough to meet the demand of your current lifestyle, because lifestyle changes are the hardest changes to make. Number 2, it must align with your personal needs and goals, because following the wrong map will lead you to the wrong destination every single time. And number 3, it should be science-backed with a proven track record, because time is your most valuable asset and time wasted will not be returned. If you've made it this far, it's time to stop learning and start working. I've spent my adult life creating a system that ticks all 3 of these boxes for people who want to get strong, flexible, and fit. Now, if that's you, then my Unity Gym app is your system. Start doing more of what you love, pain-free, so you can perform like an athlete. Don't click the next video. Take action with something that will transform your life. Click the link here and be coached by me and my team for less than $2 a day with my Unity Gym app. I look forward to meeting you inside.